Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, also seeking the floor is our distinguished colleague from San Juan, Zambales, and the Republic of the Philippines, Northern Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Senator Jingo Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. First of all, I would like to thank Senate President Pro Temp Senator Ping Lacson for allowing me to speak ahead of his privileged speech. Mr. President, I rise to repudiate the utterly false and baseless accusations made against me by Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez. Una sa lahat, wala akong tinanggap na anumang halaga mula sa mga flood control projects. Gaya ng mga guni-guni nilang flood control projects, guni-guni rin ang sinasabi niyang 30% commitment ko raw. Para sa mga ordinaryo natin mga kababayan, ang mga binanggit ng mga proyekto ay nasa line items ng 2025 GAA or General Appropriations Act. Isang malaking kasinungalingan ang mga pinagsasabi niya para iugnay ang aking pangalan sa mga proyektong binanggit niya na nasa ilalim na ng 2025 GAA na sa isinagawang pandinig sa mababang kapulungan. Mr. President, these claims are not only malicious, they are blatant lies, clearly intended to mislead the public, besmirch my name again, and discredit my continued participation in the Senate hearing. I am not merely challenging Mr. Hernandez to take a lie detector test with me. I am demanding that he prove every single allegation he has made in a court of law. If he dares to stand by his claims, then he must back them up with solid, irrefutable evidence. No hearsay, no fabricated narratives, just facts. And let the truth come out once and for all. I will not allow this brazen attempt to smear my name to go unanswered. This will not pass quietly. Beyond the administrative and criminal liabilities he may face, I will ensure that Mr. Hernandez is held accountable for perjury and made to answer for his deliberate falsehoods before the proper judicial forum. Let this serve as a warning. Lies have consequences, and I will pursue every legal remedy to make sure justice is served. Thank you, Mr. President.